Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find the bounds of this one. So we need to find the line of this one and this one in here. So we have 2 points. We can find about the slope of the function. And that should be about delta y over delta x. So because we want to find y equals to ms plus b. And we know that m that is about the slope. So this one we have number 1 minus number 3. So we have number 2 minus number 1. And we have negative number 2. So we put negative number 2 on here. And now I select about this point. So I will put number 2 cone here and number 1 cone here. So we have 1 equals to negative number 2 multiplied by number 2 plus b. So we can find the value of b in here. Now I will put this one go to the left. So 1 plus 4 we have number 5. So this equation we have b equals to negative number 2x plus number 5. Now we can do similar for the second one. And we have number 3 minus number 1 over number 5 minus number 4. So we have number 2. Now I select about this boy for 1. So I will put number 4 gone here, number 1 gone here. So we can find the value of b. So we have number 8, 1 minus 8, we have negative number 7. So this one we have y equals to 2x minus number 7. So the first thing we need to find the bounds of dx between 2 lines in here. So this one we have y equal to negative 2x plus number 5. Now we put number 5 go to the left and we divide both sides by negative number 2. So we will have about y minus number 5 over negative number 2 equals to x. And the second one we do the same. So if we look on the graph, we can see that this is about the lower function. This is about the upper function. So the bounds of s should be like this. Now we need to find the bounds of y. That should be in here. So we can see that the bounds of this one we have y equals to number 3 and y equals to number 1. So y should be between from number 1 to number 3. And now we put the bound for this region in here. About the x, that should be about y minus number 5 over negative number 2. And this one, we have y plus number 7 over number 2. dy, that should be from number 1 to number 3. So now we need to find the value of this one. So we have the s, the integration of s, we have s squared over number 2. And now we have the bounds from y minus number 5 over number 2, or negative number 2, to y plus 7 over number 2. So I will put this one going here, and this one going here. So we have like this. So we need to expand this one, and we simplify like this. We have 6y plus number 6. So number 6 divided by number 2, we have number 3. And we have the integration from number 1 to number 3. Y multiplied by y, we have y squared. The next one, we have y. Now we have the final answer in here. So we put number 3 going here, number 1 going here, and we have 38. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.